Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show how to find the inverse function of the function if one exists. The function has the inverse function if it has one-to-one system. Let me show you. I draw the graph. This is y, this is x. This is the graph. So if we have one value of x, you have only one value of y, one value of x, one value of y. So this function will have the inverse function because it has one-to-one system. I draw another graph. Example, y equal x squared. Oops, I have ugly drawing. So if I have x equal minus 1, y equal 1. So if I have x equal 1, y equal 1, 2. So two value of x, you have one value of y. So it is not one-to-one system. So this one has no inverse function. Or you can prove example x equal a or b. This is function f. The value of f a equal capital A. The value of fb equal capital B. And then you inverse a value at capital A equal A, or the inverse of value at capital B equal B. So it's the inverse function. I will do the example to show you what I'm talking about. Example, I have the function fx equal 5 plus 3x divide 4x. The x cannot equal 0 because when x equals 0, the function fx undefined. So x cannot equal 0. To find the inverse, you have to follow a step. The step 1, let y equal fx. So now you will substitute y in here. So y equal 5 plus 3x divide 4x. Step 2. Switch y for x, x for y. So y become x and x become y. So 5 plus 3y divide 4y. Step 3. You need to solve for y. So I multiply both sides for y to eliminate the denominator y. So I multiply all sides for y. So we have x times y equal y cancel out. So we have 5 plus 3y. Because this solve for y, so I need to move 3y over and change sign. So I have x y minus 3y equal 5. I have y is common factor, so I bring y out. X minus 3 equal 5. Now I divide both sides for x minus 3 because I solve for y. So x minus 3 cancel out, so y equal 5 divided for x minus 3. So the inverse function is y. So f x equal 5 x minus 3. Okay, so right now this function is the inverse of this function. Now I will use this one to find out if this is the inverse or not. So example, let x equal 1. So now I will substitute x equal 1 into this equation. So I have f1. So x equal right here, x equal 1. We will have f1 equal, you substitute 1 into here, so 5 plus 3 times 1 equal 8. 8 divided for 1 equal 8. This is 5 plus 3 times 1 equal, divide for x equal 1. 5 plus 3 times 1 equal 3, so equal 8. Okay. Based on this one, this is equal 8. So now you will find the inverse function at 8 equal 1. Here, let me show you. So f minus 1 at 8 equal, now you substitute into here. 8 equal, x equal 8. So 5 divide for 8 minus 3 equal 5 divide for 5 equal 1. See, x equal 1, the fx equal 8. So the inverse function at 8 equal 1, so it comes back x equal 1. You see what I'm talking about. The function f at 8, the little ka, the outcome equal capital 8. The inverse at the value at capital 8 become little case. So my final conclusion, 5 over x minus 3 is the inverse of this function. Thank you for watching my video and you have a good day.